The power of SEO International Business Meeting Room Day. A group of marketing executives gather around a conference table discussing their latest online campaign. We've seen some impressive traffic, but can SEO really make that much of a difference? Absolutely. SEO is a crucial for our online success. It's like a map guiding search engines to find and rank our website higher. Exactly. By optimizing keywords, content, and backlinks, we boost our visibility, attract more organic traffic, and ultimately increase conversions. So, SEO is the key to unlocking our potential and staying ahead of the competition. You got it. With effective SEO, we'll dominate the search rankings and connect with our target audience like never before.